Ding, ding, ding. Ladies and gentlemen, the market bell has just rung, and today we are talking about the most trending stock in the Canadian market right now. It's a stock that has everyone, from analysts to retail investors, buzzing with excitement. Is this a golden opportunity or just another hype? Grab your coffee, sit back, and let's dive into the exciting world of Canadian stocks. You're not going to want to miss this one. Now, before we unveil which stock is making all the noise, let me give you a hint. This company is part of an industry that's becoming increasingly important, not just in Canada, but worldwide. We're talking about a company that's playing a critical role in transforming how we live, how we consume, and how we think about the future. Sounds intriguing, right? Well, I promise you'll understand why this stock has become such a hot topic by the end of this video. Let's talk about some context here. The Canadian market has seen its fair share of winners and losers this year. We've had oil and gas surges, tech stock rebounds, and of course, the surge in sustainable energy. But right now, one stock stands above the rest. Everyone wants a piece of it, and today we're here to tell you why. All right, enough suspense. The stock that's currently stealing the spotlight in Canada is Shopify, TSX, Shop. Yes, Shopify has made a spectacular comeback this year, and it's making investors take notice. But what's the reason for this sudden surge in popularity? Let's dig a little deeper. So why is Shopify trending? To understand this, let's look at a couple of key elements. First up, the earnings report. Shopify recently posted results that blew away analysts' expectations. Revenue growth, subscriber growth, and an optimistic outlook for the future all contributed to why the stock has been surging lately. The company reported a year-over-year growth of over 20%, showing strong resilience despite the tougher economic conditions. But it's not just about the numbers. Shopify is riding a wave of significant partnerships and innovations. For instance, their recent partnership with Amazon to allow merchants to integrate Buy with Prime is a game changer. This makes it easier for Shopify sellers to expand their reach, leveraging Amazon's massive network. This integration has the potential to bring substantial revenue growth, and the market loves it. And let's not forget, Shopify has also been cutting costs in smart ways. It's streamlined operations and focused on core areas, like expanding its payment solutions and logistics, making the company leaner and more profitable. But what about the market sentiment? Analysts are, well, divided. And that's where it gets interesting. Some see Shopify as an unstoppable force in the world of e-commerce, while others warn that valuations are getting ahead of reality. At its current price, some argue that Shopify is a bit expensive, while others believe that this is just the beginning of a long upward trend. And that brings us to the golden question. Is Shopify a buy right now? Well, let's consider both sides of the story before we jump to conclusions. On the upside, Shopify is perfectly positioned to capitalize on e-commerce growth. The shift towards online shopping is not just a trend, it's a long-term transformation. Shopify is ahead of the game with its merchant-first approach, which continues to attract small and medium-sized businesses worldwide. And speaking of businesses, Shopify is expanding its portfolio beyond traditional online stores. With products like Shop Pay, Shopify Capital, and now logistics solutions, they're turning into an all-in-one platform. This kind of ecosystem is very attractive to investors. But let's play devil's advocate for a second. With interest rates still high, growth stocks like Shopify are inherently risky. Higher rates tend to hurt tech valuations, and Shopify is no exception. If the broader economic conditions don't improve, there's a chance the stock could see some pullbacks. So, here's my take. Shopify is a fascinating company with tons of potential. It's at the forefront of e-commerce, it's innovating, and it's cutting costs to stay lean. However, the risk is there, and any decision to buy should be made considering your risk tolerance and time horizon. Remember, this isn't investment advice, just one YouTuber giving you the full picture. But I want to hear from you. Do you think Shopify is set to continue this upward journey, or are we in for some turbulence? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into trending stocks, because the market never sleeps and neither do we. Stay tuned, stay informed, and stay invested. I'll see you in the next one.